Alright guys, here's the problem. Watch those RPMs. Alright. See how the battery light's on right now? Yeah. And this is a brand new battery. I don't know what the problem is. Like it should be starting to go up and down some. And it smells horrible, kinda. That's really what? What kind? Like oil? Oh. Smells horrible. Smells like something's burning. That's the RPM? Huh? Alright, well. Yeah. It's like over 1. Like 1.5. Now let's go under the hood. Ready? I'm gonna try to turn the AC on. Alright. Where's the AC at? Alright. Should I take the fuse box off and see plug the fuse box? Everything. Stop it. Stop it. Oh no, they just start going up and down here. Where? I can use that. That's only when you drive. Try it. Alright. Cause I got everything. I went around like this. And then I was yeah. Alright guys. When I start driving, you might hear a jerk and fucking when it does that, that's when it like holds the gear. Hold on, I'm coming out the driveway. Heck. Exposure. Alright, here's what might happen. Oh, it's holding it right now. See the battery comes on? Shit, is acting stupid as fuck. Not even switching gears, shit at me.